Hello, Unity Tax Partners. This is Omar Kanda, Managing Partner here at Unity Tax Partners, and I'm going to discuss with you our product, Unity Tax Shield. It was formerly called Audit Shield for those of you who participated with it before. And we've got some exciting announcements to share regarding this product. Not only is it a name change, but it has gotten more options for you all to take advantage of and potentially generate more revenue during tax season. Now, keep in mind this product is optional, and whatever choice you go with, this product still is 100% up to you. What it is, it's a comprehensive post filing protection program for your clients and your business. So it's a great value added benefit that you can offer your clients with a peace of mind regarding an audit. So why would you choose Unity Tax Shield? It's personal. It's brought to you by the same team of Unity Tax Partners. We've worked very closely with a few vendors to provide you the ultimate coverage here. And we've loaded it with a few other options. It's focused on people. It's simple, fast, helps with the IRS notices when they arrive, which is the biggest value added there. It's always handled whenever your clients get letters or anything. It is handled by EAs, CPAs, attorneys, all professionals. You're not going to someone that doesn't know what they're doing. Um, it's also loaded with other options for like other than audit protection. It has legal and ID theft protection, basic legal services that just comes out of the box. So how does it work? Well, first of all, when you opt in to offer this product, whether you do firm level or a la carte, which we'll talk to you in a minute, the client will receive a confirmation, which is what we call a fulfillment paperwork. What that paperwork has is their information of what they purchased and a number to call in case of an IRS notice. Once if they do get a notice, they can call that number or upload to a contact support center. They can also come back to you if you need to and just give them that number. But really, nothing is handled by you manually. You're just facilitating the product for them. Unity Tax Shield handles everything from A to Z, and it covers both federal and state. Now, the ways you can offer this product, there's two very distinct ways of offering. First of all, is if it's called firm level, which what we've had for the past few years under the name Audit Shield. And what that does, it covers all your accepted e-file returns. Which means accepted e-file, including bank products, e-file only, anything that's acknowledged by the IRS. It is $10 per return, and then the deadline to enroll is December 31st. Please try to get it enrolled as soon as you can. The other product is that you can offer, which is the same exact coverage, same exact product, but you can offer it as what we call a la carte, which means you select which clients offer it. There'll be a button in this your software where you click on it and it will generate the paperwork for you to print out your clients. Now, the way a la carte works is because you're not getting the volume discount of firm level, it is $59.95. You can upcharge it to $100. You can keep 100% of the markup. And if you do over 50 Unity Tax Shield policies, you'll get $10 back as a rebate per client. All the fine print and details on these rebates and everything will be emailed to you. And if you don't have it, please ask support before enrolling or offering this product. Now, firm level, you do have to sign an agreement with us for offering it. A la carte, you do not. Just being a member of Unity Tax Service, you'll have that button available for you. Now, let's discuss how billing works. For bank product returns, Republic will pull out the money for those fees. So you just make sure you set up your price sheet the way you want it. If it's an e-file only, same exact billing process that we do. Very similar to the Unity Tax, $20 per return. We'll bill you the $10 extra or $59.95, whichever one you offer, only during the billing cycle, so every other Friday. I'm going to discuss a little bit about the tax-related benefits. It comes with unlimited advice for personal and business matter on federal taxation. Uh, no time or frequency limitation. They can call, fax, or email. Tax Pro will review any notice or letter issued by the IRS and provide advice on how to solve the matter. That's the big value add there. Access to a web-based IRS audit tutorial as well as an IRS notification tutorial. This is for the nervous people that maybe not ever been audited before. Like, what do I do? They do have some resources to help them understand what an audit is and what it involves. There's also a member portal available with tax tip, tax law changes, things like that to stay on top of. It's got an IRS audit assistance, IRS notification assistance, and a review of prior year tax returns to kind of put them ahead of the curve. Not only do we offer audit services, audit protection services, it does include reduced hourly legal services, deeply discounted flat fee type services for legal. For example, divorces, bankruptcies, things, traffic ticket, think along those lines. So those could be a really good deal for some clients instead of having to spend a fortune with an attorney. And then we also provide identity theft solutions now with all the cybersecurity risks. It's good to have it. Everyone should have a monitor all their cards, and it does have identity theft restoration and lost or stolen credit card assistance as well. And that will wrap it up. Now, keep in mind, please let us know if you do want to enroll in the firm level. We highly suggest you do because that gives you the best value. You can also unitytaxshield.com is the website you want to visit on the product itself. So if you can see, we do have a website for it. Again, the software will be in your 2025 software, and we look forward to hearing from you. And have a great tax season, everybody.